I really just work on whatever comes up the driveway. Got an old Ford box truck here. I think this is a late 90s, maybe even an early 2000s, but here she is. All we're doing on this thing tonight is just replacing the coolant reservoir. So nothing too exciting, but here we are, 230,000 miles. I'm pretty sure this was a U-Haul vehicle at one point. I don't know that for a fact, but it's possible. Oh, and got the old 5.4 in it, 2-valve, the good 5.4. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Firing up there. It's all right. You can run. You can run. It's okay. You don't have to be scared. Okay. So I'm just going to move this over to the serviceable portion of the garage. Now, I can't get it in my garage for obvious reasons, so I got to be careful that I don't hit the top there. But I want to at least get it somewhat in the garage. Amazing how much a piece of plastic can cost. So we got a box inside of another box. Premium quality for less. OEM, no. Or maybe that's number, I don't know. There it is. Nice and pretty, nice and shiny, all clean. I like it. And here's the old one. As you can see, it's cracking. That's what plastic does, right? Good idea. Let's use plastic. What's the worst that could happen, right? We got a little bit of coolant in there to drain. So we'll drain the coolant out of this reservoir, take the old one out, put the new one in. It's easily accessible, so this will be a fast job. Now this clip isn't wanting to come off. It's almost like it, well, there it goes. It's almost like it had kind of adhered itself to the plastic over time. So you can see there. But I got that off. Now, just pull the reservoir out the rest of the way. We'll disconnect the final hose clamp down here, drain the coolant out, and put the new reservoir in. I'm using these little pair of scissor looking things to close off the coolant hose here running to the reservoir so we don't lose any excess coolant other than what's in the reservoir. So clamp down on the hose here. Don't forget to put your drain pan under the front to catch the coolant. And then, before long, I'm going to try to catch most of this coolant. Off it comes. Well, I tried. Still got most of it in there. Now we'll just install the new reservoir. It's a reverse procedure, so it's pretty simple. Quite honestly, I don't know why I'm even making a video of this. It's so easy. Oh, look at that. They even give you a new hose here, so you can get rid of that old one. Or I'll just cut this one off. I'll probably just take this one off here. Take this out here, slide the clamp up. And that's really all that's to it. Got myself a free piece of hose and a free clamp there out of it. There's obviously nothing wrong with this hose or the 2 clamps on it. And you know, I thought this was funny. It's already starting to backfill with coolant a little bit. But that coolant looks really nasty. So we should probably get that flushed sometime. And we'll get rid of the cap. Put the new one on here. Nothing much different about it, just a different label. But first, let's fill it up to the cold fill line with coolant. I know, I spilled some. Can't help it. I guess I could use a funnel, but not really feeling like it right now. And that thing was thirsty. And I will just dump the whole thing in. A little bit overfilled and gonna hurt. And look at that. You got your new coolant and your used coolant. Well, there you guys go. Like I said, I don't really know why I even made a video of this, but I just like to show you guys what I work on and what I do. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't, and hit the unsubscribe button while you're at it. No, I'm just kidding. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'll see you next time.